guys, I'm coming to you all real quick with this review. This review is for a company called Kisspat Direct, and you can find them on Amazon.com. All information about this product and the links and everything you may need to know will be down below in the description box. So be sure to check down there and do check out this company. So Kisspat sent me, they contacted me and sent me a necklace. This necklace is the women gold tone, and y'all already know the drill. If you see me looking down, that's because I have notes right here beside me. But this is the women's gold tone multicolor triple chain statement necklace, and came in this package. And like I said, you can find them on Amazon, and it was all nicely wrapped here, and it looks like this in the packaging. It has the company name there, and shipping was super duper fast. I didn't have any issues with shipping or anything of that nature, so was very satisfied with that. And I'm just pulling it out of the pack, so it looks like this. I think this is so gorgeous. And it's not very lightweight, so it is well made. I can tell because it's not lightweight at all, and it's not, it's like perfect. It's not going to weigh down your neck, and yeah, it's just very perfect. So this retails for $8.99 on Amazon.com. You can get 5% off this price. This I'm thinking may only apply to Prime members. I may be wrong, but on top of this little, this small price, which is only $8.99 for this gorgeous necklace, you can get 5% off. So when you do go on the site to check out this item, do look below the price, and it will say 5% off. And make sure you do click it to clip that coupon so you're able to redeem it when you check out. So yeah. This also comes in 2 other styles that I will post pictures somewhere in this video so y'all can see the other styles that this necklace comes in. This that I chose is the rose quartz. Y'all know I love pink, and this is kind of like on the pink side somewhat, but I thought this was just so pretty and so beautiful. And it also comes, different styles that they offer also comes in turquoise and gold. So I am going to open this up. All right, so it does have the lobster clasps, as you can see there. So, and it has, as you can see, the adjustable rings. And of course, I'm going to try them on. That's why my neck is bare. And I'm putting it in like the very last loop. And I'm going to stand so your lovies can see. And it looks like that. Very pretty. I really love the way this looks. You can't tell that this is only $8.99. Like, this looks high quality, like just high quality jewelry. And for a closer look, and as you can see the bar here, this is just a very beautiful piece, and it doesn't feel cheap. It doesn't feel cheap at all. So yeah, this is the piece that Kisspat sent me. Thank you so much, Kisspat Direct and Amazon, for choosing me to review this beautiful rose quartz and gold necklace. Lovies, make sure y'all go and check them out. Like I said, everything will be down below in the description box. Go show them some love, and do check out these beautiful pieces. They are just so bomb. So cute, so sophisticated, so sassy, so girly, so feminine. I just love it. It is beautiful. And I hope you lovies enjoyed this video and love this piece just as much as I did. And I will see you all in the next video.